What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the Litecoin US dollar pair, guys. Are we going to explode out from this symmetrical triangle just like we did with Ethereum and go to the upside? This is also mentioned on the Bitcoinsensus website, guys, the Litecoin US dollar technical analysis. So make sure to check out the website. Link is in the description. We've got the latest technical analysis here also, guys. We are going to check out the BTC US dollar pair, looking to break the $60,000 range. It looks very hard to break, but we will break out eventually at some point. Also, the Ethereum BTC pair, Ethereum against Bitcoin. It looks like that we formed like an Adam and Eve pattern here, and we've broken to the upside. Are we going to continue to meet these levels over here? We'll be discussing this, and also the Bitcoin dominance falling from this great support level. Are we going to continue down? And this means that there's going to be a huge alt season, guys. Remember, Ethereum BTC can be traded on PrimeXbt. Make sure to check out the link in the description and use Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code. You'll be getting 50% in addition to trade with, guys. You can trade Ethereum against BTC here on PrimeXbt. It looks like the altcoin season is overheated by looking at the altcoin index here. We're currently at 92, and usually we turn over from here to go to a Bitcoin season, but this chart doesn't say this. This chart right over here, the Bitcoin dominance, says that we are going to go much lower and there's going to be a huge altcoin season. We can see the altcoins on CoinGecko absolutely exploding, guys. 40%, 50% gains in 7 days. Absolutely crazy, guys. A lot of people making money. Let's go straight into the video, but before, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, zooming in on the Litecoin US dollar chart, it looks like that we are going to explode out of this symmetrical triangle, okay? The measured technical move would be getting the width of the back of this symmetrical triangle, okay? And from the breakout, which will happen maybe in between today and tomorrow if we do not get rejected, is all the way up to the $310. So this is not going to happen in 1 day or 2 days. This might take a couple of weeks to get up to this target. Remember, you can trade this on PrimeXbt or even Bybit and Femix. If you use the links in the description, you'll be getting the best bonus available, guys. Remember that. We are going to hit some major resistance points from the breakout, guys, which is this high over here. Okay, so you can mark that yourself, and this will be one resistance point, and also this high over here at the $240 range. So once we break out, we might be bouncing back up and down, or we might go straight up to retest this high over here, just like we did with Ethereum. So looking very, very bullish here for Litecoin. Be ready, guys. We might see volume start kicking in and breaking to the upside very aggressively. If we get rejected, we might come back down and retest. We might consolidate around this range and then suddenly break out, guys, all depending if there's no bad news in the markets, and then we might just come lower. But it does look very, very bullish. We're coming from a huge uptrend, and we've created this huge symmetrical triangle. This looks like it is going to break to the upside very, very soon, guys. As you can see, we've just wicked above it, and now we're consolidating around the resistance area. So this is what I got for Litecoin. Unless we get rejected, we'll be coming back down and retesting the next support at 205, then 195 also. We were talking about this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern, guys. Remember, we had a lot of volatility, and I did say, you know, it's going to be very volatile until we come and arrive and retest the resistance area. So this is what I got for Litecoin. Let's check out the Ethereum US dollar pair. Is just looking extremely bullish. Look how we broke out from this resistance area. It's very similar to Litecoin. Okay, we've got the 2 points here of resistance, and then 2 points here of support. And on the third attempt, you know, we got a bit of rejection and then managed to break to the upside. It looks like that Litecoin is maybe going to do the same thing. We broke out easy from this high over here, and also this high over here, which is the all-time high for Ethereum. Now we are consolidating around this area. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. And as you can see, we are creating like a channel. As you can see, once we broke the all-time high, which was this green box at the $2,035 range, okay, we created this bull flag, you know, clear breakout here, clear bull flag, breakout, and then met the target with no problem at all, because it's looking very bullish. We are going to continue to do the upside with no doubt. Now we are creating like a downtrend channel. Okay, so what I've been looking at though here, you know, we've had let's go to the 5-minute chart so you can see it a little bit more clear. We did create here like an Adam and Eve pattern. Okay, if I just zoom in, okay, this is clearly another Adam and Eve. Okay, we broke out, you know, bounced for the support area and came back up and met the target, as you can see right over here, Adam and Eve pattern. Also, looks like that we've created, if I get this line over here, a symmetrical triangle, okay, because we've got these two lower highs right there, and also this uptrend, right? And we broke out of it, and now we're just getting rejected from this neckline, okay, from the Adam and Eve, and also from this support area from the symmetrical triangle. The potential target from this breakout is getting the width of the symmetrical triangle, and from the breakout, you know, we could actually come back down and retest the old all-time highs, which is around about the $2,040 range, $2,035 range. You know, we might not come down this low, but because the breakout didn't have much volume also, as you can see here. Sorry, I'm actually covering the volume. The breakout here to the downside, you know, it's just, there's no volume at all. So we might continue, get into the triangle and continue to the upside. It is looking extremely bullish. I wouldn't be shorting Ethereum right now. As you can see, this wick down from this breakout also retested this high over here, just right there. So we just retested the top here from this bull flag before breaking to the upside. Wick down, got a nice bounce, and now we are retesting the support area from this symmetrical triangle on the 5-minute chart for Ethereum. I wouldn't be shorting, you know, this, you could actually short this as a bounce to the downside, but there's no volume at all from this breakout from the symmetrical triangle. You know, we're on a huge uptrend. We've broken all-time highs. Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. I wouldn't be shorting. We might be getting back into the symmetrical triangle. And if we break this resistance area to the upside, well, then yes, I would actually prefer, you know, trading this to the upside, you know, from the breakout from round over here. If we get back into the triangle, you know, we are going to continue up next level, you know, about the $2,170 range, getting the target from this technical analysis symmetrical triangle. And this is what I got for Ethereum, guys. Let's check out the BTC US dollar pair. We have been having huge rejection here on the $60,000 range. As you can see, we have retested it so many times, you know, for the last couple of weeks. We can see here also retested it 3 times in the last couple of days. We are creating higher highs here, so there is a lot of demand. You know, we can see creating higher highs all the times, and we are creating, I saw this on Cole from the Moon's channel, like an ascending triangle. So this is very, very bullish. We are creating higher highs, so at lower highs, and we are getting rejected at the $60,000 range. So just creating higher lows, creating higher lows, and there will be a moment that it's decision time, guys. We are going to break to the upside and retest all-time highs at 61,800, or we are going to break down and retest the $57,000 range. This is extremely tradable, guys. So, you know, the measured move would be, let me just get the trend line over here and the back of the ascending triangle. from the breakout, you know, retest, might get some rejection at the all-time high, 61,800, but the measured move is 62,500. Break to the downside, come and retest the $57,000 range, which is major resistance, which is major support, sorry. It's been resistance right there, support over here. So we might get supported if we break to the downside here, guys. Make sure to check out the volume if you want to trade this pattern. Let's take a look at the Ethereum the Ethereum BTC price. Not much to add here on the Ethereum BTC pair. We can see that we've broken major resistance area, just as you can see right over here. You know, there's been major resistance, consolidation phase right over here, and it acted as support. Once we broke to the upside, we managed to went below, okay, for the last few weeks, and now we can see we are breaking to the upside. Also, we can see that this is also a potential Adam and Eve pattern, okay? This would be the Adam, Eve, and the measured move here from this breakout. You know, this is like a double bottom pattern, the same thing. Would be getting the low part here to the neckline, and from the breakout, you know, we could see these levels, 0.04 for the Ethereum BTC pair. Looking very bullish looking at this chart. Also looking at the BTC dominance, we can see that we are breaking out this major support level. Okay, you could potentially see that this is also like a double top, and we are hitting this support level right over here. So we've broken out, we're hitting the support level right over here, and we're just hitting it right now, just retesting. We can also see the shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, you know, clear breakout from the support area. So I'm expecting this to go lower in the next coming weeks, guys. We might get a little bit of rejection here at this support level, as you can see. But I do believe in the next coming months, we are going to continue to the downside and see the best alt season we've ever seen before, guys. As you can see, this is also a way to measure an alt season or a Bitcoin season, okay? Once we are in the red here, it is alt season, and in the blue, it is Bitcoin season. So if we scroll down here, we can see, you know, October 2018, October 2019, the summer of 2020, was alt season. Remember in August there when we saw loads of altcoins popping, you know, Aave synthetics, you know, going 10x, and then we had the Bitcoin season, okay, and now we are in extreme alt season. This doesn't mean that we are going to go and turn around from here. We can see that in January of 2018, we were here for a few weeks. So we might see a few weeks of alt season or several months, you know. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So we might see, you know, alt season for a couple of months. Who knows? And checking out CoinGecko, you can see altcoins are absolutely popping here, guys. Let's go. Elrond is up 30% in the last 7 days, you know, and scrolling down, we can see this huge gains. Dent is up 70%, guys, in 7 days. You know, you can almost double your money in a week or two with some altcoins, or even a couple of days. Mask Network up 100% in the last 7 days. So yeah, we might see this for a few weeks or a few months still, guys, if we break this support area for the Bitcoin dominance. We can come from 58% all the way down to the 40-45% levels. It will be absolutely insane. We've seen this before in late 2017, early 2018. Altcoins just going 100x, 200x, and people turning 1,000, 5,000 into several couple of hundreds of thousands, guys. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest technical analysis and news, so I'll be leaving a link in the description, guys, so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my Bybit tutorial, make sure to check it out. A video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.